I have these chicken nuggets that came from, I believe, Aldi. And they're delicious. I have some butter in my pan, and then I think I need to open up another jar. Ooh. Ooh. I was pulling off the plastic and the whole thing fell off. So I'm just going to drop some in there. I love these chicken nuggets. Ooh, yes I do. Inside of my oven, I have some baked chicken and some corn. You'll see that soon. This is starting to make the yum yum. Yes, yum yum. I have a hard time using a spoon sometimes because I don't want the breading to come off, but I'm not sure. I think when I did it the last time, I think I put a little oil in there. So we're going to try a little avocado oil. I'm not sure if that's going to make any difference, but it's going in there. And that's going to be, it's already melting. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. I don't want my butter to burn. That's the problem. That's the problem, boys and girls. That's the problem. Oh, that's... So I just want full butter, hot sauce, and I want it coated all the way. I'm not sure. That was a little harsh, boys and girls. That was a little harsh. It's about maybe 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. The chicken is going to be my dinner, and these chicken nuggets are going to be my breakfast. That's what I'm looking for right now. Right there. But I think I need more hot sauce. Dang, that's potent. Boys and girls, let me explain something to you, honey. I'm going to eat this, and I'm going to love it. I love it. I'm going to let that simmer down. you hear the pot, boys and girls? You hear the pot? You hear the pot? Sometimes you get thirsty. Mmm. Ooh. Mm-mm-mm. Mmm. Oh, that's nice. Mm-hmm. Woo. Mm-hmm. That chicken is looking real nice. I hope it comes out right. I have some bagel seasoning. That's what's on my chicken today. Mm. This is slowing down, but I needed to. Oh yeah, there it goes. See it? You got it. Mm-hmm. There it goes, boys and girls. See the difference? Oh, you can see it now. Yes. Woo! My eyes are burning. Woo! Ooh, this stuff is popping, boys and girls. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. The one thing you will not see me do is listen to is watch me wash my dishes. Yeah. Mmm. Boys and girls. Mm. just what I needed. Right there. Perfect, boys and girls. Mm. Baby, I need you. I need them a little crunchy, and some of them are not gonna get crunchy, loathing and bathing in butter. So, but you know, I had to take me a little treat. Mmm, mmm, oh, oh, mmm, oh, that was so good. Mmm, 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 oh. I know somebody's like that. That meal was hot. Absolutely not. I don't know what it is from hot sauce. I get no heat from hot sauce, only flavor from hot sauce. This is absolutely delicious. And this is what I wanted since yesterday. I was so tired. I think I was asleep for like at maybe 3 or 4 o'clock for the rest of the day. I woke up about 2 something this morning. I did all my laundry and everything I could do. Then I went back to bed and maybe about 4 o'clock, and I slept until after 9. Mm, mm. And after this come out the air fryer, I'm gonna need more hot sauce on it. Can you imagine? I love hot sauce. But this butter and hot sauce combination is no different than hot wings, but this doesn't come out like hot wings. This comes out with flavor. That's all it is, just flavor. I'm only gonna leave that one for like maybe two or 3 minutes, and then we take it out. In the oven, I have a baked potato, 2 pieces of corn, and 2 chicken thighs, and that's gonna be my dinner. But these are absolutely, this side is nice and crunchy, but this side is not. But it's okay, because when they come out of there, I'll have it. You know, there's times when you feel like a crunch is what you needed. So the crunch is not going to be satisfied unless it's made the way you need it made. Mm. Oh. Oh. Mm. I tell you, salted butter is amazing. Anyway, thank you so much.